Hello, folks. Welcome back. I am John Najarian, off the boat, but still over here in Europe and still having a good time. I hope you are enjoying 3 at 3. I hope you enjoyed Pete and AJ Monty today with the Rebel's Edge. I was up on the jet and not able to be on it with them, but I know they did a terrific job. That comes your way Mondays, Tuesdays, and Thursdays at 1 p.m. So make sure that's Eastern, 1 p.m. Eastern. Make sure you tune in for that. Well, let's get started with today's 3 at 3 for the 9th of August, 2022. Unusual activity following along on the heels of somebody who had a big commitment to a particular stock, whether that's a bullish view, which would be calls, or bearish view, which would be puts. And that's what we follow. Here's how it's working out. GLD, a week ago, talked about these September 2nd expiration 170 calls. I don't buy those, too far out of the money. The stock or the ETF exchange traded fund was trading at 160 and 49 cents. Today, 167.31. So again, if you committed $160,000, you're up $7,000. You can do the math. On the other hand, if you bought the options, the 160 calls and sold higher strikes you made a lot more money than that, folks, with that much risk. So that's why I love trading options so much, talking with all of you about it. Rebel's Edge, that's the show I described where Pete and AJ Monty were on today. Encourage you to check out any of the past Rebel Edge programs by going to YouTube. You can go to our YouTube channel. Just go to YouTube, type Market Rebellion, upper right-hand corner, click on subscribe, completely free. And then, of course, click on notifications so you know every time a new one goes up. And, of course, if you want to like it, if you want to give us a thumbs up, please do. Thank you. That's Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, 1 p.m. Nutrien, okay, still working. Obviously, the demand for what they have, nutrient for crops and so forth, very important and very rare these days because so much 25% or more in Ukraine, obviously most of that has been just blocked. So stock was 82.70 when we saw the September 90s trading. It's heading to 90, isn't it, folks? 88.47 just a little bit ago. Up $2.94 today. Bang. That's another winner. RebelCon 2022, speaking of winners, whole bunch of great folks. You guys, a whole bunch of great traders that come to us from all over the world will be gathering in Dallas, Texas at the Four Seasons Hotel. You should be one of them, because if you're one of those traders well, you could have a great experience with a bunch of other great traders. And if you're not, and you'd like to be a great trader, you should attend, because we've got Brian Sullivan, we've got Tom Lee, we've got Bryn Talkington, speakers, as well as our entire team, folks. RebelCon 2022, that is marketrebellion.com/Dallas, marketrebellion.com/Dallas. Check it out. It's going to be sold out pretty quick now, because we're into the final few seats that are remaining. I won't be bugging you with this one too much longer. I'll be telling you instead, hey, you can still sign up for the virtual or get your name on the wait list. If you don't want to do that, go to marketrebellion.com/Dallas now. All right. MBI also working out. Just talked about this one yesterday. September 11 calls. Well, take a look at it. The stock was 11.44. They were buying those September 11s. Well, now it's 12.24. So we're already making pretty good bank in this one as well. I emphasize, make sure that you take your profits. Can't just cut losses. You got to take profits, folks. That's important, especially when you're in the decay curve that really accelerates into those final 6 weeks of the options life. Today, after the close, we've got how to trade like a pro. You can register now. It is free. If you can't make it live, right at the close, because they'll kick it off right at the close of the market, 4 p.m. Eastern. If you've signed up, we will send you a free link to get the whole video of everything that the team discusses on how to trade like a pro. Go to Market Rebellion to register for that. All right, 3 quick ones today, because I got to rock. RIVN, this is a $36 stock. They're buying the August 37s. These August calls expire Friday, folks. So you have to be aware of that. It's a big print. It's only got 3 more trading days after today, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. So make sure, if you want to follow, that you understand the time decay part of this trade. LQD, bearish puts. So this one, we're seeing a lot of bearish put activity. How much? 15,000. Yeah, that's a lot. Call it 16,000. That's 1.6 million share equivalent at the 100 strike, with these this ETF trading at 113. So that's pretty bearish. And they're putting down a lot of coin to bet on a bearish move in the LQD. That's why I like to follow those guys. It's just like a wave when you're surfing. Picks you up and you got to run along with it. Third and final of today's 3 at 3. Remember, we talked about that big run in Bed Bath and Beyond. The only thing they don't sell, Jim Cramer, is beds. You've heard Jimmy say, hey, why don't they sell beds? Well, they don't. But Bed Bath and Beyond, bearish puts here. August 9 puts. Those are called puts, rather, that expire the 9th on the 12th of August at the 9 strike. They are in the money by 30 cents right now. They've been buying them since they were 30 cents. They've bought them up over $1 now. So be aware that these expire this coming Friday. So you've got to be fast. And this is the deep end of the pool. Bearish put buying in Bed Bath and Beyond, betting that that squeeze yesterday was just that, a squeeze, and then it's over. Folks, that's going to do it for me today. Make sure you go to marketrebellion.com/get started to learn about our mentors, our coaches, and everything else we've got for you. marketrebellion.com/get started. I'm going to get started enjoying the nightlife out here. I'll see you tomorrow.